For decades, scaling a massive company meant scaling a massive workforce. If you wanted to grow, you hired hundreds of people. Today, that entire corporate structure is collapsing down to a single desk, operated by one founder and a digital staff of AI agents. We are going to map out exactly how to build an end-to-end physical product business using a stack of just 3 specific AI tools, one for the supply chain, one for sales, and one for daily operations. To initialize this system, you only need 2 baseline components, a concept for a product and a registered website domain name. By handing the execution layer over to these 3 processing pipelines, the role of the entrepreneur shifts. You stop performing manual tasks and you start acting as an architect, directing the flow of data rather than the movement of boxes. Step 1 is sourcing. Historically, launching physical goods is incredibly capital-intensive. You have to vet manufacturers, mid-sheet minimum orders, and secure warehouse space before you ever make a sale. To bypass this bottleneck, we plug in the first tool in our stack, an autonomous sourcing platform called Pietra. You type in your high-level concept, for example, specifying the exact type of beauty product you want to create. The system immediately parses that request and matches you with a vetted list of specialized factories ready to produce it. Once the product is manufactured, the platform a warehouse, and now you need a mechanism to sell it. We handle this by connecting a platform called Nas.com. Initiating this sales engine requires almost 0 manual data entry. You simply upload a single photograph of your physical product. The AI extracts the details from that image and automatically constructs a complete, functioning e-commerce storefront around it. Concurrently, the system drafts multiple variations of marketing creatives and configures your payment gateway, preparing the digital checkout for immediate transactions. It then moves straight to deployment. The AI launches those generated ad creatives, running the campaigns across networks and optimizing them autonomously. But there is a massive financial risk here. If you rely entirely on an AI to spend your money targeting cold audiences, your ad budget will rapidly drain to 0. To mitigate this, you must build organic distribution. You create your own content and cultivate an audience as a founder, which provides the trust and data needed to make your automated ads more efficient. This creates a highly scalable division of labor. The AI manages the heavy lifting of the technical sales funnel, while you focus your time entirely on capturing attention and building a community. Step 3 is operations. You have an active supply chain and a live storefront, which means you now have daily management tasks and growth targets to hit. To handle this layer, we introduce Pulsia, specifically utilizing its workflow designed to grow existing companies. You input the base website URL you created earlier. The AI reads through your site, comprehensively mapping your business context, your product lines, and your position in the market. Immediately, it returns a detailed market study of your competitors and configures a dedicated business email infrastructure to handle communications. It then generates an actionable task list. While this starts with small goals, like scouting for competitors or emailing 10 buyers, it establishes the baseline for an autonomous outreach department. At this stage, you stop micromanaging individual steps. Instead, you give the AI broad, high-level problem statements, like increase my revenue, and let it formulate the strategy. The agent takes that mandate and begins executing those multi-step tasks in the background. Because the AI doesn't tire, those 10 emails today can eventually scale to thousands as the business grows. This final operational layer acts as a scaffolding. It transforms the solo founder from a manual operator into an executive who directs an untiring digital workforce toward a larger valuation: sourcing, sales, and management, an entire operational business loop, constructed and maintained by a single person. Now, it is important to recognize that these specific tools are still in their infancy. They act as highly capable coworkers that require your oversight and course correction, not flawless, fully autonomous replacements. However, the shift is happening quickly. Tools that could barely write an email 6 months ago are now managing logistics and storefronts. We are moving from simple chatbots to integrated operational partners. The competitive advantage belongs to the founders who begin building these systems today. By learning to direct these agents now, you'll be positioned to lead as the technology moves toward full autonomy. Let us know in the comments which part of this AI stack you would deploy first, and subscribe for more system breakdowns.